Hello, this is my C Sharp stats project. Whoops, let me just start over. And then as This is an app that will allow you make the different FIFA cards. And as you can see, there's a card maker class over here, which basically defines all the variables and this record average function, which basically gets you overall rating of a player by adding all the numbers you input and dividing by 6. And down here, there's a tester class, which basically gets all the which has 5 different menus, which we'll see over here in a second. How many cards do you wish to make? I wish to make 2 cards because I gotta do it quick over here. Curtis. I got like 80 rating for everything. Let's say error. Just put 70 for one. 20 pass, 100 physical. Enter player name, Brady. He's got like 20 shot, defense, 43 speed. So we have 2 players in right now, Curtis and Brady, and you can look at both of these stats by clicking number 5, which prints all players' averages. Over here, it says my ratings are this, and then my overall rating is a 70. And then Brady's overall ratings are a 50, and it shows you all of Brady's statistics. And you can look up for mine only by pressing 1, and then the player I want to look up, type in name, Curtis. As you can see, you can look at my FIFA card and my overall rating and all that. You can press 2 to modify my number because I personally think my numbers were too low. So you press 90, 90, 80, 99, 94, 92. And press 5 to check that my ratings has changed, and my overall rating has gone up to 90 now. And then I can add a new player, so press 4, add Prith. Just do it quick. And then you can print all the player averages again to see that Prith now has been added and his overall rating is 35. And you can delete a player by pressing 3. Sorry, Brady, you gotta go. So press Brady, and then you can see that Brady's been deleted. So press 5 again, and then it shows you that Brady's gone, and now only my rating and Prith's rating is shown over here. Alright, that's my C Sharp project. Thank you.